International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Puerto Princesa. Time check for your convenience. It is now 20 minutes past the hour of 9. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of departure. On behalf of your flight and crew headed by Captain Cho and First Officer Bernardo, your inside cabin crew, Jay, Micah, and Celeste, this is Steve thanking you for making Cebu Pacific Air Airline's choice. It was a pleasure having all of you on board, and we do hope to see you again in one of your future flights with us. Muli po maraming salamat sa pagpili at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific. Maligayang pagdating sa Puerto Princesa.
Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have dislodged or shifted during the aircraft movement. Once again, cell phones must not be used for whatever purpose while inside the aircraft. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Panatiling nakasara ang inyong mga cell phones habang kayo ay nasa loob pa ng eroplano. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bag. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, to facilitate our on-time departure, may we request that you cross your seatbelt as you leave your seat. Thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. It is prohibited to walk under the aircraft wing. Please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground servicing activity. Thank you.
Once again, a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bags. Antayin po muna matanggal ang ilaw sa babalang sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang kagamitan.
Way of living ng mga rating
ordinary lang. Pero
simple lang.
yung sa Palma, pero A320 gamit nila ngayon, hindi A330.
Okay lang.
Opo.
Sige tayo. Welcome daw. Welcome dyan. So, ayun lang.